Alright guys, we've been getting rain for a solid 4 days. This is Beaver Lake. It was out. See where that little cove is?
I don't know whether they can see that stick in that picture, but I stuck
But
it at the edge of the water last night.
We are now nearly up to the, well, let me go back. See that stick right there? That's where we were at last night. It has rose that much. There's our picnic area that we won't be able to use even if we tried. The rain has really played havoc on our mental stability in this spot. We like it, especially if it don't rain. Boat docks are over there. It has really rose in the last several days. So, around our tree it was dry when we first got here. But it has really given the tree some water. I'm going to bring you back this way. This is the other side, by the way. There's our electric cord. Look how up it is. It shouldn't be this close to it. There's our cargo trailer. Alright guys, I'm going to stop this because it's chilly. It's in the 30s. We'll talk at you later.